Hi guys, it's BB. Welcome back to my channel, my beautiful monarch butterflies. I hope that all of you are having a lovely day. So in today's video, I will be working on these cute tags and journaling cards. I am participating in Jovi's collaboration for her Valentine's collab. We're posting every Monday on January the 30th, which is today, February the 6th, and February the 13th. So I just wanted to show you guys a few of the things that I have brought today in order to collage within the little tags. And I'm just showing you some little booklets that I bought off of Shein a while back. So we have some very talented ladies that are participating in this collaboration. We have Creating with Jovi herself. We have Meg over at Chasing Retro, Carol over at Recrafted by Carol, Kathy's Favorite Things, and myself. I'm busting out with some laminating pouches here because we are going to be making some laminated tags, and I think they're going to come out so cute. So you can see that I've got some leaves and some petals and flowers there to my left hand side. I will be incorporating those into my tags because they are flowers that my youngest son has picked out for me, my sweet little baby Paul, and then my husband has also bought me flowers in the past for like Valentine's Day, and I have not gotten a chance to laminate the petals that had fallen off of them, so we're going to be doing that today. And it reminded me of Valentine's Day because what else do you get besides chocolates? You get some wonderful flowers, I would hope. So I'm going to go ahead and go in with some music sheets, some embossed wallpaper, and then book pages from a flower book, and some cute little tickets because they remind me of like maybe a cute couple going to go see a show for Valentine's Day or a drive-in movie, something like that. And they just look so romantic and so delicate and pretty. So here I am just going to collage a little bit and incorporate some of the leaves from the roses I have received. And I'm just trying to figure them out, like for their placement. And I decided to split up this little leaf cluster. And now I'm just going to see what flowers go really pretty with it. I also want to thank Jovi so very much for letting me participate in her fun collab. I am really looking forward to seeing what everybody else comes up with, so be sure to head on over to their channels, give them a like, a comment, and just show your support. And then here I'm just going to go in with a little die cut, some more flowers, and then I figured I should just go ahead and put them inside the laminating sheet so they'd be ready to go. And then I did a couple off of camera. I hope you guys don't mind. Another alternative I figured was worth mentioning is if you don't want to use realistic flowers, because I know how delicate they can be, you can always go in with magazines and just fussy cut out flowers, and or use die cuts or even vellum stickers that have flowers on them or butterflies. Those always look cute. Out of all the tags that I worked on, I feel like this one gave me a little bit more trouble because I guess I picked out the things that I preferred to work with first, like the leaves or the small little flowers, but the petals gave me a little bit of a harder time. I still think it came together nicely though. I also wanted to mention that since this was my first time making these type of tags, what I ended up doing was spacing them out a little too far apart, so some of them ended up coming out really wide. Like there was just too much space in between. I obviously cut off the excess, but I did want to mention that. So if you don't want there to be too much space getting wasted, then maybe put them a little closer together, unlike how I did. It still worked out. They still came out really pretty. But one of the other problems that I did run into was trying to keep them from shimmying apart within the laminating sheet as I walked them over to my laminator because my plugin was a little too far away. So here is my husband helping me film it. He says hi in a little bit with like butterfly hands, which I thought was kind of funny. And there will be a little bit of bubbles. I don't know if there's a way to avoid that, or if you have any tricks for me, please let me know. And then here I'm just going to cut them out to the size that I want them to be. So I'm just showing you guys how they ended up turning out. I've got 3 tags and 2 journaling cards. Not that I'll be doing much journaling on them because they are laminated, but I'm going to go in with my punch from Amazon and just round out the corners. I think it gives it a cleaner look and they look that much more put together. And as for the tags, I just want to angle the top of them using this clothing tag. I love this template thing because it helps me cut straight lines, because I cannot cut straight for the life of me. But once we have that done, I'm going to go in with my crocodile. We're going to punch some holes up in the center before putting in our grommets. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of fabric to the top of it just to finish it off. And I personally like colors that are pastels and are super light. I just think that they just look prettier. So it's all personal preference for you. If you want to use something bright red or fuchsia, that's totally up to you. Whatever colors suit your fancy. I love my crocodile tool. I use it so much. And here we are with the little fabric that I'll be using. It actually came from a shirt, and I like the more tattered look, so you can see that I saw my scissors back and forth just to give it that tattered look. And I love how it gives it that edge, and it's just super cute. So we're gonna go ahead and tie that at the top of it, and that's pretty much it, you guys. So I want to thank y'all so much for joining me and taking time to watch my video, and also taking the time to comment. Be sure and check out the other collaborators' channels, show them some love, and then do not forget to join us back on February the 6th, the second week of February, and I hope to see you guys then. We will be working on snippets and clusters. And now that I've got a few of these, I'm going to be incorporating them into my Bible, into my future junk journals. So I have plenty of tags to be stuffing in my journals. Here is the most recent journal that I have constructed, and I will be putting it into one of the pockets and journaling about where they came from and how I made them for Jovi's collaboration. I hope that you guys enjoyed the process video. I know that I had a lot of fun creating these, and I just feel like we're giving our flowers a new life. If y'all end up trying it, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video. I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye.